Welcome to Google I/O. It's great to have all of you with us. So let's get started. What are plans for Gemini? A frontier model built to be natively multimodal from the very beginning that could reason across text, images, video, code, and more. It's a big step in turning any input into any output, an I/O for a new generation.
Did you listen to the exciting announcements from OpenAI on May 13th? Google did not hold back with their own AI Keynote event on May 14th, lasting nearly 2 hours. The presentation unveiled numerous advancements. Today, I have curated what I consider the top 10 announcements from the Google event, which I will share in an order that highlights their impact. Please note, due to some frame rate mismatches during recording, there might be slight audio lags in the demos provided. Let us start. Number 1. New Gemini app with Gemini Advanced for Android and iOS. Gemini app is introduced on Android as well as iOS powered by Gemini Advanced with 1 million token contexts. 1 million token context means the app can process a vast amount of data at once, improving accuracy and response time. This provides easy access to Gemini.
Since then, we introduced the first Gemini models, our most capable yet. They demonstrated state-of-the-art performance on every multimodal benchmark, and that was just the beginning. 2 months later, we introduced Gemini 1.5 Pro, delivering a big breakthrough in long context. It can run 1 million tokens in production and through Gemini Advanced, which provides access to our most capable models. Over 1 million people have signed up to try it in just 3 months.
Number 2. Ask Photos. Search across Google Photos to answer questions.
It knows the cars that appear often. It triangulates
This is demoed on their app and can find, for example, number plate of your car from your photos, which will be very useful for me as I keep forgetting my car number plate number. Number 3. Google Gemini Context Window. 1 million tokens and 2 million tokens for developers. Now, the context window is 1 million tokens for everyone. One which can handle as much as 1 hour of video. See this demo.
Enabling us to bring in even more information. Hundreds of pages of text, hours of audio, a full hour of
expected. Can I shoot a video of my possessions and turn that into a searchable database? So I ran to my bookshelf and I shot a video just panning my camera along the bookshelf, and I fed the video into the model. It gave me the titles and authors of the books, even though the authors weren't visible on those book spines.
In addition, today, Gemini 1.5 Pro with 1 million contexts is now directly available for consumers in Gemini Advanced and can be used across 35 languages. 1 million tokens is opening up entirely new possibilities. It's exciting, but I think we can push ourselves even further. So today, we are expanding the context window to 2 million tokens.
It is 2 million for developers, which is unbelievable.
So today, we're
Number 4.
introducing
Gemini
1.5
1.5 Flash.
Flash.
This is the lightweight model with low latency for immediate response and is available for
Flash
testing
is
in
a
Google
lighter weight
AI
model compared
Studio.
to Pro. It's designed to be fast and cost-efficient to serve at scale, while still featuring multimodal reasoning capabilities and breakthrough long context.
Number 5. Media
Today,
generation.
I'm so excited to
There are 3
introduce
tools in this
Imagine
area.
3.
Text to image
It's our most
with
capable
Imagine
image
3
generation model yet.
with great detail.
Imagine 3 is more photorealistic. You can literally count the whiskers on its snout. With richer details, like this incredible sunlight in the shot, and fewer visual artifacts or distorted images. It understands prompts written the way people write, the more creative that can create
Audio
new
with
instrumental
Music
sections
AI
from
Sandbox.
scratch, transfer styles between tracks, and more. To help us design and test them, we've been working closely with incredible musicians, songwriters, and producers. Some of them made even entirely new songs in ways that would have not been possible without these tools.
Really shows what's possible when we work with the artist community on
VEO text-to-video tool which may compete with OpenAI's
high-quality
Sora.
1080p
You can join a
videos from
waitlist
text,
for
image,
this
and
tool.
video prompts. It can capture the details of your instructions in different visual and cinematic styles. You can prompt for things like aerial shots of a landscape or a time-lapse, and further edit your videos using additional prompts. You can use VEO in our new experimental tool called Video FX. We're exploring features like storyboarding and generating longer scenes. VEO gives you unprecedented creative control. To see what VEO can do, we put it in the hands of an amazing...
Number 6. Notebook LM with audio. The Notebook LM tool is enhanced now with audio. See this demo with audio collaboration.
And today, Gemini 1.5 Pro is coming to Notebook LM, and it's great. Let me show you. So here we are in Notebook LM. You can load it up with all the materials here on the left. In this notebook, I've been using it with my younger son, and I've added some of his science worksheets, a few slide decks from his teacher, and even an open source textbook full of charts and diagrams. With 1.5 Pro, it instantly creates this notebook guide with a helpful summary and can generate a study guide, an FAQ, or even quizzes. But for my son, Jimmy, he really learns best when he can listen to something. So we've prototyped a new feature with Gemini, and it's called Audio Overviews. Notebook LM is going to take all the materials on the left as input and output them into a lively science discussion personalized for him. Let's take a listen.
So let's dive into physics. What's on deck for today?
Well, we're starting with the basics, force and motion.
Okay.
And that, of course, means we have to talk about Sir Isaac Newton and his 3 laws of motion.
Ah, yes, the foundation for understanding how objects move and interact.
Ah, yes, this is where multimodal really shines. Now, it generated this audio discussion based on that text material. And what's amazing is that my son and I can join into the conversation and steer it whichever direction we want. When I tap join.
Hold on, we have a question. What's up, Josh?
Yeah, can you give my son Jimmy a basketball example?
Hey, Jimmy! That's a fantastic idea. Basketball is actually a great way to visualize force and motion. Let's break it down.
Okay, so first, imagine a basketball just sitting there on the court. It's not moving, right? That's because all the forces acting on it are balanced. The downward pull of gravity.
Pretty cool, right?
Number 7. AI Agent. See the demo of returning a
We are
shoe
still in the early
handled by
days,
AI Agent.
and you'll see glimpses of our approach throughout the day. But let me show you the kinds of use cases we are working hard to solve. Let's start with shopping. It's pretty fun to shop for shoes, and a lot less fun to return them when they don't fit. Imagine if Gemini could do all the steps for you, searching your inbox for the receipt, locating the order number from your email, filling out a return form, and even scheduling a pickup. That's much easier, right? Making AI helpful for everyone.
Number 8. AI Teammates. Gemini can be added to team and perform tasks like a team member in minutes. See this demo.
Chip's been given a specific job role with a set of descriptions on how to be helpful for the team. You can see that here. And some of the jobs are to monitor and track projects. We've listed a few out, to organize information and provide context, and a few more things. Now that we've configured our virtual teammate, let's go ahead and see Chip in action. To do that, I'll switch us over here to Google Chat. First, when planning for an event like I/O, we have a ton of chat rooms for various purposes. Luckily for me, Chip is in all of them. To quickly catch up, I might ask a question like, anyone know if our I/O storyboards are approved? Because we've instructed Chip to track this project, Chip searches across all the conversations and knows to respond with an answer. There it is. Simple, but very helpful.
Number 9. Multi-step Google search with complex questions and planning. AI organized search added to Google search. See this demo.
For example, intro offers and the walking time from Beacon Hill. As you can see here, Google gets to work for you, finding the most relevant information and bringing it together into your AI overview. You get some studios with great ratings and their introductory offers. And you can see the distance for each. Like this one, it's just a 10-minute walk away. Right below, you see where they're located, laid out visually. Multi-step reasoning. It breaks your bigger question down into all its parts. It's the type of problem that takes advanced reasoning and logic. After all, if you're meal planning, you probably don't want mac and cheese for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, my kids might, but say you're looking for a bit more variety. Now you can ask Search to create a 3-day meal plan for a group that's easy to prepare. And here you get a plan with a wide range of recipes from across the web. This one for overnight oats looks particularly interesting. And you can easily head over.
Number 10. Project Astra. AI chat assistant with multi-modal capability. See this demo with video chat.
For a long time, we've wanted to build a universal AI agent that can be truly helpful.
Okay, let's do some tests. Tell me when you see something that makes sound.
I see a speaker, which makes sound.
What is that part of the speaker called?
That is the tweeter. It produces high-frequency sounds.
Give me a creative alliteration about these.
Creative crayons color cheerfully. They certainly craft colorful creations.
That's right. What neighborhood do you think I'm in?
This appears to be the King's Cross area of London. It is known for its railway station and transportation connections.
Do you remember where you saw my glasses?
Yes, I do. Your glasses were on the desk near a red apple.
This is Google's AI roadmap. As you await the market release of these tools, the potential they hold is immense. Stay tuned, subscribe, and join me on this journey to explore how these technologies perform outside of demos and how they can revolutionize our interactions with digital environments. Your support and engagement help me bring more such insights, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates on ChatGPT and other generative AI tools. Thank you for watching.